Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a cat. Kawaii cat. See? Okay. Okay. Step 1. Draw a circle. Draw a back circle. Draw a cat. Oopsie daisy, sorry. Copy that dog. The body dog. Only the body, not the... Repeat. Okay, what's next? If you want to make it a little fluffier, you can do this. That's fluffy, I think. Okay, next is the ears. I kind of draw a pony ear there. Eye, and nose, and a big smile. Oh yeah, you can add claws if you want. Okay, let me repeat. Draw a circle, draw a back circle, draw a line, and repeat that on there and there, and make the ear, eye, nose, and smile. A big smile, the biggest smile in the world. You can see the teeth. Yeah. Creepy as hell. Big rat. This is happened.